How to make app icons bigger on iPhone. In your iPhone, you cannot directly change the size of app icons like you might on some Android device. However, there is a method that can make app icons appear larger. For that, launch your settings. From there, you will see display and brightness. Tap on it. Now, scroll down to the last area you will see display zoom. Simply tap on it. Now, make it to the larger text and on the top right you will see Done option. Tap on it and simply select Use Zoomed. Once you select this, your device will be restarted. And then you will see a lot changes on your app icons. It will look a lot larger than previous one. In this way, you can easily make app icon size bigger, which makes user easier to see and interact, especially for the user who prefer larger interface. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.